Hello. So in this session, we shall discuss about solid state 7 crystal systems. How to remember 7 crystal systems easily. There is a small trick to remember 7 crystal system. Let's start our session. So here I am giving one simple cubic unit cell. This is a simple cube. So this cube has 3 axial distances. What are those? These are the axial system. Axial distances. These are called axial. 3 axial distances. It has. Okay, this is A and this is B. This is C. A, B, C. A, B, C are the axial distances. So 3 axial distances are there, and there are angles between these A and B, B and C. Okay, they are alpha, beta, gamma. So the angle between A and B is called axial angle, and angle between B and C is called axial distance, and the angle between A and C is called axial distance. So total 3 axial angles. Sorry, axial angles are there. 3 axial angles, alpha, beta, gamma. So then here the angle between A and B. So you remember A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma. These are the angles and these are the axial distances. So the angle between A and B, angle between A and B is gamma. The angle between B and C is alpha. Okay, angle between A and B is gamma. Then angle between B and C, B and C is alpha. Then angle between A and C, angle between A and C is beta. Okay, so you remember that angle between A, B, so gamma, you skip these two. Then angle between BC, alpha, then you skip these two. Then angle between AC is beta. Okay, these are the axial angles between AB and C. So there are total 6 parameters: ABC, alpha, beta, gamma. These 6 parameters are required. 6 parameters are required. Parameters are required to explain a particular unit cell. A particular unit cell. Okay, these 6 parameters are required. So based on these 6 parameters, 7 crystals we can explain. 7 crystals are there. 7 crystal systems are there. 7 crystal systems are there. Then what are those 7 crystal systems? Cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, like that. So here one type of crystal, it is type of crystal, then axial distance, axial angle, axial angle. Example, type of crystal. Okay, number one, type of crystal is cubic. You remember C T O T H M T. Okay, this is the 7 crystal system, CTO, CTOT, HMT. Okay, then second one is T. T means it is tetragonal. Then third one is orthorhombic. Then fourth one is T, trigonal or rhombohedral. It is. Fifth one, CTOT, hexagonal. Then sixth one, CTOTHM, monoclinic. Monoclinic. Seventh one, last one, triclinic. CTOTHMD. Then for cubic system, axial distances are A is equal to B is equal to C, axial distances. So that the 3 axial distances are equal for cubic system. Then tetragonal, A is equal to B is not equal to C. Then for orthorhombic, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. So after completing this sequence, then that will be again repeating. Again, A is equal to, for trigonal, A is equal to B is equal to C. So 3 axial distances are equal for trigonal or rhombohedral cubic unit cell. Then for hexagonal, again second one, tetragonal, A is equal to B is not equal to C. Then third, monoclinic, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Then the last one, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Okay, this is the simple logic to remember 7 crystal system, that axial distances of 7 crystal system. Cubic, 3 axial distances are equal, A equal to B equal to C, then A is B not equal to C, then A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Then after completing this, then trigonal, from trigonal again this will be repeating, A is equal to B is equal to C, then A is equal to B not equal to C, and A not equal to B is not equal to C. And last one, triclinic, also repeating, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. So the most symmetric crystal system is cubic symmetrical system or stable, and triclinic is unsymmetric. The most unsymmetric system is triclinic system, unsymmetric. And most symmetrical system is cubic, and most unsymmetrical system is triclinic. Then axial angles, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Then alpha, second one, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees again, and alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees again. So first you write equal for 3 crystal systems, cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees, like that you write. Then next one, from fourth one, alpha trigonal, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degrees. Then from hexagonal, alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90, but gamma is not equal to, sorry, gamma is equal to 120. Gamma is equal to 120 degrees. Then next one, here monoclinic, alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90, alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Then beta is equal to beta is not equal to 90 degrees. Then last one, triclinic. Okay, alpha is not equal to, beta is not equal to, gamma is not equal to 90 degrees. Next one, example, cubic system. Example, sodium chloride, NaCl. Example, NaCl, then KCl, potassium chloride. Then next one here, zinc sulfide, zinc blend, then copper, diamond. These are the some most examples of cubic system. The next one, second one, tetragonal white tin, then tin oxide, then titanium dioxide, then copper sulfate, CuSO4. These are the examples for tetragonal cubic system. Then for orthorhombic, rhombic sulfur, and KNO3, potassium nitrate, KNO3, potassium nitrate, barium sulfate, BaSO4, then cinnabar, potassium permanganate, KMnO4 is the very, very important. KMnO4 belongs to orthorhombic cubic system. Then hexagonal, trigonal, sorry here. Then orthorhombic, rhombic sulfur, KNO3, then barium sulfate, BaSO4, barium sulfate, and K2SO4 also belongs to orthorhombic. Then trigonal or rhombohedral system, that is calcite, cinnabar, and KMnO4, potassium permanganate is a very important one. Then for hexagonal, graphite, mainly graphite, hexagonal system, graphite, zinc oxide, then cadmium sulfide. Then monoclinic system, monoclinic sulfur, then Na2, SO4, 10H2O. Then triclinic, H3BO3, then CuSO4.5H2O, then K2, Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. So these are the 7 crystal systems that are very important for JEE mains NEET level. Okay, student, thank you.